Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just working on my getting ready for a baby. This is my postpartum basket for help down there. There's quite a few things that aren't going to stay in this basket, but they're worth getting. So let's just go through what we got. First thing is this right here. It's called Postpartum Support Band. This is really good for if you have a C-section. They say that it feels like your insides are falling out where you were cut open. I've never had a C-section, so you know, I don't have any experience on that, but it could always turn into an emergency C-section, so I do have that. And ladies, I know it looks like a lot is in this basket, but you do have to recover. This isn't, you know, your next day you're gonna, you know, be running a marathon. You need to recover. You will recover as long as you give yourself the time to recover. Okay, the next thing I have, this is gonna stay in the kitchen. This is just periodic tea. It's from the brand Earth Mama Angel Baby, but they just changed their brand to Earth Mama Organics, but it is the exact same company. This is good for postpartum and PMS, so not just after baby, but all the time. Comes with 16 tea bags, caffeine free, so that'll stay in my kitchen. And then I have some witch hazel. I believe that this is alcohol free. It was as alcohol free as I could find. Last time I only ever used the Tux pads, and I don't know if they're alcohol free or not, but I did want to go ahead and get some of that. And then I have some hydrogen peroxide. I'll go over that in a minute. And then I have some Epsom salt. That's good for sitz baths, but I have some stuff from Earth Mama Organics as well to use in sitz baths. So that's also going to be in the bathroom because I like to take just regular baths with that now. Okay, so we'll go over this and this here. So I was watching a woman do her basket, and she was getting ready for C-section. She said if you have an incision, it's really good to fill this up halfway with hydrogen peroxide and then halfway with water, and then you spray it on your incision, and then you change out your gauze pads every time you use the bathroom. So I'm just prepared just in case. Okay, so right here we have adult diapers because, you know, it is what it is. Here are some pads. And then my hospital, every time I gave birth, I'm giving birth in a different hospital this time, but every time I have given birth, all 3 times, they gave me quite a few of these. You just break them when they get cold. But the hospital I'm going to is not going to give me any, so I have probably 10 boxes of these, so I have about 20 of these. But they're just, you know, as I'll use them, I'll just replace them with the others. Okay. Back here, y'all know the blue absorbent pads, same thing as puppy pads. So I have a package of those. Here is the herbal sitz bath I was telling y'all about. This is some Preparation H cream, off-brand. Got some Dermaplast. My hospital also does not provide Dermaplast, which I used all 3 times, and it was a godsend. So I have like 4 cans of this, I think. And then from Earth Mama Angel Baby, I have some of the perineum spray. I got some hand sanitizer. And then I have some ibuprofen. Tylenol. Oh, that's Tylenol PM. I need to change it to my regular Tylenol. Stool softeners. Here are the off-brand Tux pads, which are really good to have. And then I have just some flushable wipes. These are not to be used as toilet paper. They're just for the mess that's like on your legs and areas and stuff like that. So you can just use them down there. Not down there, but around there. And you can flush them. And then this is Preparation H, just wipes for down there as well. Now, a couple of things that are not in the basket yet because I haven't had the baby. There's a Perry bottle. They'll give that to me at the hospital. And the mesh panties. I've heard, you know, some people like them, some people don't. I absolutely love them. 100%. And then the sitz bath basin, I will have to ask for, but I'll get that one at the hospital as well. But everything else is in here, and it's ready to go. So, y'all just make sure y'all mamas get what you need to get, take the time you need to take, and take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching.